Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's do an easy sunset bottle painting. First I'm coating one layer of gesso on this bottle and let it dry. Now let's start to paint. This is red color, next is orange color, next is golden yellow color, and finally lemon yellow color. Apply red color to the top portion of the bottle. Below that apply orange color. Blend both colors fully. We don't want any demarcation lines between two paints. You can dip your brush in water and wipe away excess water if your paint is getting dried up or your paint is very thick. Next is golden yellow color. Blend that color fully. Below this, let's add lemon yellow color and blend it. All the paints have blended beautifully, giving the appearance of an evening sky. Now using a sponge, apply black acrylic paint to the bottom part. The topmost portion should be a little bit uneven. Draw fine lines which are irregular using a pointed brush. Now let's draw a tree. And few branches. Let's draw some leaves. Now I am drawing a few birds. Finally, let's draw the setting sun. For that I am using white acrylic paint and over that I am using lemon yellow color and giving an orange tint to give the look of a setting sun. Simple and easy sunset bottle art is ready. Please give your feedback after trying this.